And Bukawi residents yesterday marked the 20th anniversary of a fluvial tragedy that claimed scores of lives. Noel Perfecto tells us more.
Never forget the tragedy occurred along Bukawi River in July 2, 1993, where a motor banca, which was part of the fluvial parade of the annual celebration of Mahal na Puuna Cruz sa Wawa, upturned in Bukawi River at about 8 p.m. in the evening while nearing its destination. Only 2 kilometers was left from the distance of the Pagoda Fluvial Parade to its destination when noises from firecrackers were heard, a signal for incoming pagoda of the beloved relic. Due to the overjoyed devotees, the lighted firecrackers missed and hit another part of the motor banca, which some of the passengers avoided, and with the amount of devotees in the banca, the boat lost its balance and caused its sinking, and the rest was history. 266 drowned, while 2 of the survivors gave their thoughts on the tragedy that happened in July 2, 1993.
16 years old lang po ako noon. Nakapagligtas po ako ng 6 na taong gulang na ngayon po ay 26 years old na Juan Carlo de Guzman po. Ang nakita ko po kaya po lumubog ang pagoda dahil nagpaputok po ng kuwiti. Nung pumutok ang kuwitis, hindi po umakyat doon po sa pagoda pumasok, kaya nabiyak ang bangka.
Kitang-kita ko po kung paano siya unti-unting lumulubog at pagsagip mo doon sa mga nalunod. Naku, talaga po nakakahambal. Kaya lang, siguro, hindi natin alam kung ano ang plano ng Panginoon.
According to Mom Chit and Father Josefino Sebastian, the incident should serve as a lesson, and it is important to remember the tragedy that should not have happened if it was managed correctly.
Amin pong ginunita ang ika-20 taong pagkalunod ng ating mamamayan sa Pagoda tragedy noong pong July 2, 1993.
Exactly July 2 na naganap yung paglubog ng pagoda. And there were 266 persons who drowned, no?
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.